Hi, I'm Heather, a makeup artist for Very. Today I'd like to show you how to create a glitter eye that can be worn as a subtle shimmer or even a festival party look. First, create a base with primer, foundation and then concealer. Using the Glitter Bomb eyeshadow, roughly coat the eyelid and blend quickly with a fluffy brush. Next, apply the powder eyeshadow to the lash line using a flat brush. Repeat under the bottom lash line too. Brush mascara on before applying false lashes. Using a gold shimmer, dab a small amount into the corner of the eyes to make the eyes pop. Now apply blusher, bronzer and highlighter to the face to create definition. To finish the look, apply a colourful lip gloss. To create that festival style, start by loosely plaiting the hair on one side to the crown and tie the ends in a bun. Tease pieces out to look more casual and then repeat on the other side. Next, apply dots of eyelash glue around the eye area and add some glitter and gems in different colours, shapes and sizes. Be creative and have some fun with it. And there you have it, a glitter eye to suit every occasion.